Can you solve all these chemical engineering questions? What chemical do you use in your food? Strong choice. Nickel is the right answer. Dash is a chemical component with a given identity. Smart pick. Chemical species is the correct choice. Current chair of the Chemical Engineering Department.
Clear logic. Your choice, Prof. Sue Herman is sound and 100% true.
What is the minimum education for a chemical engineer? Solid response. Bachelor's degree is a valid choice. We design prosthetic devices such as artificial limbs. Well reasoned. Biomedical engineering is the correct choice. Number of main buildings on the chemical engineering campus. Exactly. 3 makes sense and it is right choice. The study of work, energy, and efficiency in large-scale systems. You chose thermodynamics, and it is correct. What level of education is required to become a chemical engineer? Nice work. You chose bachelor's degree, and it is correct.
We design devices that allow people to monitor and control diabetes.
Great thinking. Biomedical engineering is the right choice. Which of the following is not a subdiscipline of chemical engineering? Correct response. Civil engineering is the most accurate answer. Which industry in chemical engineering use batch reactors most of the time? Perfect. Pharmaceutical is the correct choice. The name of the tool that is used as a monument on the chemical engineering campus. Well picked. Evaporator is the correct answer. This involves using natural or organic materials to develop products and processes. Well done. Biochemical engineering is the right choice. Previously, the chemical engineering campus of Diponegoro University was located at. Great job. Mataram is the accurate answer. My major focus is on addressing current and emerging challenges to the environment. Good job. Environmental engineering works well here. What is the little number after an element in a chemical equation called? Example, H2. Excellent choice. Subscript is the right answer. The study of materials, their composition, structure, and how they interact and change. Excellent. Chemistry is a brilliant choice. Type of mass balance where mass is taken at 2 distinct points in the chemical process. You're right. Integral mass balance is the correct answer. Which foundational of engineering is playing an increasing role in chemical engineering? Valid point. Biology is true. The following are the names of the authors of the book Introduction to Chemical Engineering Thermodynamics except. Good thinking. McGraw is the right answer. What type of engineer designs evaluates ways to manufacture chemicals and other materials and use them to develop products? Right again. Chemical is a valid answer. The substance turns blue because of the chemical dash. Nice selection. Reaction is the correct and valid answer. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books. Format. Right choice. Contact Narayan Chengda is the best answer.